Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create folders directory from the list in Excel. So what I have right here is a list of phone brands and I'm going to go ahead and start with the formula. So here I'm just going to go ahead and do this one, MD, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it again. And of course, this one, all right, the brand itself. So yeah, I have this formula right here, and basically if I'm going to hit enter, you'll be able to see that now we have it MD Apple and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's just how easy it is. I'm just gonna copy this one, head over to notes, paste it here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and save this file. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this one as bat file. So I'm just gonna type here file.bat and then click the save button. Now if I head over to that particular sample folder where we save this, you can see that now we have the bat file. If I'm going to double click on this one, something is going to pop up and you should be able to see the other folders generate just like so. And yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to do this.